Hey guys, so just a short video today about bending steel with the oxy fuel setup. And the beauty of this setup with a combo torch like this, and oxygen and acetylene is that we can do a variety of things with it. We can use it for preheating, we can use it for cutting, for welding material. We can use it for even things like heat treatments, quenching material, tempering, things like that. But we can also use it just for fabrication in bending material, and also straightening out material if we have things that have bends in it and stuff like that that we need to flatten out. So that's the beauty of this setup. Today we're just going to do we're just going to bend a simple hook like this. It's just a 3/8 piece of L-bolt that I'm going to put a 90-degree bend in to make a handle for my welding table. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that next. All right, so I'm going to get my neutral flame set up first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack open my acetylene. And I'm just going to get that started with just enough acetylene to strike the flame. I'm going to turn the acetylene up till this black soot goes away. And then I'm going to turn on my oxygen. I'm going to turn that up until this big blue cone recedes back into the tip. And then I want the little cones at the end to be nice and dark. You can see my flame is nice and fluttery. That's a neutral flame for heating. Okay? So now I can start to heat up the material, and I want to heat it up where I want the bend. And I'm just going to get both sides and underneath so that I heat it evenly all the way through. This is pretty thin material, 3/8 rod, so it's not going to take much to heat it all the way through. Once that's nice and orange, bright orange, then it's ready to bend. So you can see it's glowing nice and bright orange. Now I can go ahead and I can tap it. Once it gets to 90 degrees, then I'm done. Turn off my oxygen first, and then my acetylene. There we go, we're all done. Just be careful not to touch the part that's real hot. And there you go, you have your hook. Pretty easy, right? Just heat and force, that's all it takes. Can submit metal to your will. All right, so hopefully that helped you out. Now you know how to bend metal just using a torch and a hammer.